In the linked list module, we learned how chains of nodes can be created by linking data together into a linked list. This created a linear structure in which we could navigate forwards, or in the case of a doubly linked list, backwards. Trees are similar to linked lists in that they chain together nodes of data, but they do it in a hierarchical rather than in a linear manner. Let's look at an example of a tree structure we're probably all familiar with. This is a corporate reporting chart. At the top is a vice president responsible for a business unit. The vice president has three direct reports, two team leads, and a consultant. Each of these reporting relationships is represented by a line, and each of those lines represents a link in a unique chain between the vice president and the subordinate. We can see this repeat when we go further down the tree. Each team lead has several direct reports, and the consultant has none. Now, there are a few properties to this tree that I think are important to discuss. Let's start by sharing some common terms. In this tree, the vice president is the root, or the top node. It's sometimes referred to as the head node. The consultant and all of the unnamed team members are said to be leaf nodes or terminal nodes. The team leads and the consultant are child nodes or children to the vice president, and the vice president is said to be their parent. So each team lead also has children and is itself their parent. Now let's talk about the relationship between the nodes. Each node is capable of linking itself to any arbitrary number of children. You can see the vice president has 3 children, each team lead has 4, and the consultant has none. There's no inherent limit in this example to the number of children that a node could contain. The limit that does exist is that each node has exactly one parent. Now, this causes a very important implication, and that is that there is exactly one path from the vice president to any other node in the tree, and likewise exactly one path from any node in the tree back to the vice president. And therefore, there's exactly one path that can be taken between any nodes in the tree. That limitation, a single path between nodes, is a fundamental rule that the tree structures we'll be looking at will never violate.